guys, what's up? It's Abby from Abby is Awesome. Hello, everyone. Hello. It's your friend. Well, maybe it's not your friend. That's your fan. Who are you? Well, maybe I know my mom and friends, but who are you? Which one are you? Are you my mom? Are you my friend? Who are you? So today, we're going to be making slime with our hands. Yay! With our hands. And this is not my usual. I have barely any glue left. I know I have a clear gallon of glue, but I don't want to use it because like this is for this video, like with my hands. And then I have like these really ratchet bowls, and I'm like, okay, so since it's like a challenge where I have no hands, let's make it really ratchet. So I'm gonna make a really ratchet slime cone. So I got the Tide. I got the ratchet bowl. No, you can't see that. I got the. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. I got a ratchet bowl. Oh my god, it's so ratchet. I can't even touch it. And I even need 2 glues because it's really 4 glues because I'm using 4 round of so disgusting. I can't use this, but it's too gross. It just me. It does me. So I think I totally didn't have it. Yeah, I really did have it. So everyone, yeah. Okay, that's just gonna be on for now. I really don't care. Okay. I'm using a dirty ratchet bowl filled with crust of old slime. So first we got a glue. I can't. It is so gross. Oh, I need to take my white sweater out of the way. Because if this gets one touch of slime, I'm going to be crying for the rest of my life. It's so sad because I just got it. Ooh, it just started squirting out. Here's the glue. It's just coming out in like tiny chunks. Well, it's like still liquidy like glue, but it's like little things coming out. That's on the bright side, but this is ratchet. And remember, the ratchetest slime. I'm just going to do the ratchetest slime video challenge. Little baby, come on. Wait. Please help me. Help me, people. Help me. Oh, wait, where's the cap? Yay! Time for our next glue. Because I totally love what is on this. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. I can't touch it. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. The cap is like filled with something really weird, and so is the bottle. I need to hurry this up. Oh, phew. Oh my god, it's so... Okay, that got everywhere. It wasn't get everywhere, it just got a little squirt. Pew. My table. But I can clean it up. No, 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 no. Hello, my friend. Well. Oh, great, my friend. It wasn't just a drop. It was a glue mess. So let me use my hands. So I think all I need is a little bit of pixie dust. So I'm gonna put. That's enough. Yeah, that really isn't enough. Oh, wait, that's way... Yeah, that's good. Now it's time for the experiments. Oh, well, okay. Always make slime with a spoon, guys. Always. Oh. This is really disgusting. Yay. Always makes it's not turning out so bad as I thought it would, but it's also not the thing that people should do. I'm just being honest with you. Never do this at home. Always have a spoon with you. Always use full glues or half glues. Just don't use this, and always use a clean bowl, and always use Tide. And choose better colors than this because it's just turning to like clean bowl. This color is beautiful. It's like a light pink, but there is like it's so clean though. But there is some little yellow chunk that I found in there. It's just one yellow chunk, and I'm like, what is that? What is it? What is it? I'm just getting all that glue from the bottom. Because there is no such thing in my world of excess. Well, yeah, there is. But this is a really good slime, guys. But it's cold, really cold. Time to put it back in the bin, like everyone does, and everyone uses their hands, just trying to act normal. Yay! Please help me, please. Help me, please. It's a struggle. Well, it's just a struggle to put things back, and it's hard. Good thing that. Okay, guys, look at my slime. Hopefully, my butt's not filled with glue next. So, this is the result. Really stretchy. We're gonna make a slime swirl. I know you've been waiting. That's really bad. Okay. And do this, and we're going to bring it together. Look at this slime swirl. Goodbye. Goodbye. Wait. Is everyone gone? Get out of my way. That was me, actually. So, the Toy Story's not real. It's fiction. Toys do not come alive when you leave. Just wanted to prank you since you did this to me. You gave me enough views. You gave me all these comments to do this. And this is what you do to me? I don't even... I can't... I don't know What? I don't know anything anymore. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Why? Let's do a better slime song. And if this fails, then it's all your fault. I'll just show you again what it looked like. Replay! Okay, fine, I'll edit it in. Okay, time to do a slime. So if this works, then it's good. But if this does not work, then it's all your fault. Done. Bye. So that was a replay, guys. Why is there any music? Dad, you're supposed to edit in there. Totally copyright, Dad. I really don't care. Just put. He normally edits there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notification buttons. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.